Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this here. This is an eye massager by llano, I guess L-L-A-N-O. And we are gonna give this thing a go and check it out. So let's see as we unbox it here what it looks like. Comes in a nice box. It says there, oh, here's the manual for it. So there. And there's the back. So let's just take a look at this here. Comes with, aim you guys down a little bit so you can see the box as I'm opening it. Comes with a little carrying case for it, which is velvet and nice. It's got the little brand on there. And then we have the eye massager here. So this is the device. You can see it folds out like that and that. And it's got a strap on the back. Comes with a charging cable that looks like USB to USB-C. So let's see what we got here. So we have the button on the side. I can hold it down. Oh, it's talking. Let's see. Oh, it's got music. Oh, it has a sleep mode. I can feel the heat. I don't feel any massaging. Oh, there it is. It's massaging. Okay. So it's kind of like going, just rubbing back and forth. It's like around my eyes. I feel it on the sides right now. And now I feel it like under here. It's not rubbing my eyes at all. It's only around everything. So it's around. It actually feels really nice. I'm not usually into heat things. There it's in the middle. I don't like the heat part of it, but I like the massage part. And the music, I don't know. Can y'all hear the music? Plays the music. You can hear a little bit of noise from it. That's pretty cool. And I guess you hold it down to, yeah, and it talks and it explains what it's doing. That's really neat. Very cool little device. Let me see if I'm missing anything here. Now my eyes, because it was so dark, it's hard to see the light with all the camera lights. But it has an adjustable strap, which was a good size for me to start with. It has the push button on off and adjusting modes. It did have a status light on there and breathing, flashing when charging. Double layers, 8-zone this, USB-C port. So the port is under here. Yep. So when it's folded, you can plug it in there to charge it. Very cool. And it just says adjust the strap and wear the massager before turning it on to avoid excessive airbag pressure. So make sure you have it on before you do it. I can feel the airbags there. So it did fill up a little bit with air, but I felt the massaging around the edges and stuff. It was really cool. And it looks like you can double tap to turn the music on and off, and just the different modes by pushing it. So really cool. So it's got all those different settings and everything. Really nice to do. And I like this. I'll be giving this a try here when I go take a nap here shortly. So really nice. Thumbs up for sure.